Meaning of driveway.
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 Driveway. A driveway is a private road that leads to a person's home or property. It is usually paved and located on the property owner's land, connecting the street to a garage or parking area. Driveways can be made of materials such as concrete, asphalt, gravel, or cobblestone. They provide a place for vehicles to park and maneuver, and also serve as an entrance to the property. A well-designed driveway can add to the curb appeal of a home and increase its value, while a poorly maintained one can detract from its appearance and create safety hazards.